Hello, this is T-Man1251 playing more Happy Wheels. The last episode sounds a little bit off, I know. A little bit disappointed in that one, but I couldn't do anything. Well, I've been watching these things, and it's called... Let me tell you real quick. I think about everyone heard about it already. He is very famous in the Amnesia. Let's do a quiz. Let's see how good I am at this. That'd be appropriate to be the bunch of me. But my guy is the... I can't jump. It would have been appropriate to be the bike guy. But it looks like I have to be him. I'll probably look out of the match. Segway. I think he's from Sweden. No, Norway. I'm gonna go with Norway. Let's go on with no, Sweden. I'm just gonna edit that. Answer questions that no one else knows. Oh, this one's easy. That'll be you. Oh. Okay. Stella. What is PewDiePie's real name? Wait, I thought his name was Pewdie. I think it's Pew. I think it's Pewx. Even though my legs are practically spazzing out right now. What is Biggie? He's Paul. He loves Stefano. That's just like his name. He hates barrels because they always stick him up. Can you trust a torso? Yes. Come on. Come on, bro. What? Was a torso like a torso? Never mind about that. This is too PewDiePie. Got a lot of, Dad, wait for my son. Dad, wait for my friends. Shut up, son. But Dad, I love you. Shut up. No, I won't take you. I won't take you. Here comes Vespa. Front flip. Dad! I didn't hear anything. I love you, Beauty. I love you too, beautiful. La 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 la. This is really hurting and I'm bleeding. Do front flips or back flips. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. I said dead. Let's try Amnesia. I was looking at this game at the store, but I couldn't find it. But I guess it's so interesting. Hello, yes. Oh, so I got stuck on. Beauty, stop wasting your lantern! Didn't have anything. Stefano! Unless you want to Bay barrels. Bay barrels. Oh my god, he's still coming after me. Whoa, he's unstoppable. No head. And I'm gonna end it right here. I think that is about time for my finger. No, I'm still a few more seconds. No, wait. Yeah. Go. Oh god. Oh, did you see that? Push the bro down here. Oh god. Okay, I think that's all my time. After being molested by feet. Yeah. Wait, what? Never mind. I can get Get my feet all out of it. I have to push the bro down there. I can do this. And I'm keeping my lane. No, I don't need Stefano. Stefano? Press down. Come on, Stefano. Ooh, come on. Stefano! Stefano, kill the bro! Oh god! Dad! The bro got me! Stefano! Don't save him. Okay. Yo, come on. No! You stepped on me. Not again. Oh my god, would you get away from me? Dad! Son! I'm not gonna do that one. I'm gonna do the jet fall next, but this is part 1 of I Found Out PewDiePie.